So hey, hi. So in this video, I will discuss one issue with you. So specifically, it's about the caching things. So this particular issue, you might face in your production, like while you are actually developing some application, and like in the production issue as well. So we'll first discuss about the issue, overall issue, what I'm facing, and how we can actually approach it to solve that basic problem. It's a very small problem, but the thing is it actually gives you a provides you actually a lot of insights about how to actually handle the caching, in general. Okay, so there's the app. The I will give you a basic overlook of the app. So this is just nothing but like a blog post. So you can create a blog. So you can blog titles, let's say blog title one, and then let's say content one. Content one. Okay. So if you click on next and save blog, so you would see that my blog has been like a normal CRUD operation. Okay. So I'll give you the overlook. So the issue is like, let's say whenever you are actually creating a blog. So after creation of the blog, you want to delete the all the blogs data of that particular user from the cache. Okay. So I'll show you let me share my screen. Where can I change? Okay, wait a sec. Okay, yeah. So I hope this is sharing, I guess. Wait a sec. I hope this is sharing. Okay. Yeah, I think yeah, it's fine. Yeah, now I think it's good. Yeah. Okay. So I'll show you the blog routes first of all. So in this, like I'm creating, right? So in this creation, let's say I have the blogs.save, just the basic saving part in the MongoDB. After that, what I want is that you should clear the hash, like the clear the cache of that particular user, if that is there, like okay. It would be there for sure. So what I will do is that let's say okay. So the thing is like you can do okay, let me check here. So you can do actually this approach as well. Okay, after the saving is done, you can actually execute this function. But more cleaner way is that to use a middleware. Okay, but the thing is here the use case is like after saving you have to clear the cache. Okay, and that too using a middleware. So basically you are telling the after the saving is done, you have to execute a middleware. Okay, so this actually gives you insight about middlewares as well, how to actually handle those middlewares, because in general we know okay, the middleware actually runs in the middle, right? So let's say there is a like a business logic, you have to execute that first and then the cache logic. Okay, so how will you handle that? So here I have this require login is there and the clean cache, right? So what I'm doing is that there's a clean cache. So if you see await next, right? So what does it mean actually? So the thing is, what I'm telling is that, okay, whenever you execute this middleware, first of all, you execute this route part, route handling. Okay. So what I'm doing is that you await and you go to the next function. So basically, I'm telling you go to the route handler, execute all the logic, then you come back and I will await for you. Then what I'm doing is that I'm clearing the hash. So now, if you see that this is happening after my route handling is done, right? After my route handling logic is done, then only it is actually executing this logic. So it's a kind of like a hack, you could say, a trick. It was really impressive for me. And I think, yeah, this is all about this thing. So, so it was a really interesting. So let's say if you ever think about executing some logic after executing the Redis cache, or you want to delete or you want to create something after the business logic is done, so you can either do after you execute function here, but the more better way is to use a middleware instead. Okay, so for that you can clean cache, you can add a cache, right? So yeah, this was all about this video. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks.